Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your BMW X3 to a garage door opener. First, park your X3 safely outside the garage, ensuring you have access to your garage door opener remote. Locate the 3 home link buttons, usually found on your rearview mirror. Before starting, it's a good idea to clear any previous programming from the home link system. To do this, press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons simultaneously until the indicator light flashes rapidly, which takes about 20 seconds. For most modern garage door openers with rolling codes, the process involves a few steps. First, hold your garage door remote about 1 to 3 inches from the home link button you want to program. Simultaneously press and hold both the remote button and the chosen home link button until the indicator light flashes rapidly. Next, go to your garage door opener motor unit and press its Learn or Smart button. You typically have about 30 seconds to return to your vehicle and complete the final step. Once back in your X3, press the newly programmed Home Link button 3 times. If you have an older, fixed-code garage door opener, the process is simpler. Just hold your remote about 1 to 3 inches from the Home Link button and press both simultaneously until the indicator light turns solid. If you encounter issues, first check the battery in your garage door remote. A weak battery can prevent successful programming. Also, confirm that your specific garage door opener model is compatible with the home link system in your BMW X3. Some very old units may not be. Once you've completed the programming steps, it's time to test. Press the home link button you just programmed to ensure it successfully opens and closes your garage door. If you have multiple garage doors or gates, simply repeat the entire process for each one, assigning them to the remaining home link buttons. Remember, for the most detailed and specific instructions tailored to your exact BMW X3 model, always consult your vehicle's owner's manual. Enjoy the convenience of your integrated garage door opener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.